Hey food fans, it's me, Mrs. Chef, Christa DeMercurio, and we are back with another season. It's season 2 of Cooking Like a Pro. With my husband, Chef Cal, we break down how to pick the right ingredients, build those layers of flavor, and just get more efficient in the kitchen. We all need to save time, money, and energy, right? So let's work on streamlining your cooking, getting more creative with everyday ingredients. Speaking of everyday ingredients, like veggies, I just released my new ebook, How to Make Vegetables Taste Good. If you're bored with having bland, mushy vegetables that can only be saved by cheese sauce, well, this book is a great reference. It'll show you simple techniques you might be overlooking, discover new vegetables to try, and how to give those vegetables more flavor and zing through various cooking and seasoning techniques. You can grab a free one-page download with my veggie quick fixes. By the way, they're chef approved. And here's a little secret. That download comes with a $2 discount on the full ebook. Just click the link in the show notes. One last thing. Make sure you're subscribed on Apple or Spotify so you can get a fresh episode of the podcast every week. And if you love the show, we need your help. Please leave us a 5-star rating and a quick review on Apple or Spotify. It really helps more home cooks find the show. All right, season 2 starts now. Let's dig in.